Hey everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a massive haul. I got Amazon, SHEIN, Old Navy, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walmart, all these places that we went in the past week, and I'm going to be showing it to you guys. So the first thing that I got, and most likely the most expensive, is this necklace. It has my name on it. It's kind of backwards, but yeah, it has my name on it, which is Gloria, and it's from Amazon. I got is this little puffer jacket. The jacket on me, if you guys are wondering, this is like a large, it's a large petite. The thing that I got is this little like door hanger thingamabob. It's basically like you stick it onto the wall and then you can put your jewelry on it and spin it literally around. This is jewelry. I got this bracelet. It's silver because I also got a couple more silver jewelry pieces. Backs for earrings, so it looks like this. I'll put a picture up. I also got some little pearls. They have hearts on them. I got these hearts, and basically you can make earrings out of them, and they have like a gold heart and then a little pink heart. So this is supposed to be pink beads, 50 grams, but they gave me the wrong thing. So SHEIN, I'll be getting my refund. 2 of these little Hello Kitty pink Valentine's Day claw clips. This is them in comparison to my hair. It's really small, so if you have thin hair, then it's good for you. This really pretty necklace. It literally, it's like beautiful. Like, I love that so much. Next, I got these little clay beads. It's like a strip of them. I got claw clips for my business, and they're really pretty, and I think they're perfect for summer. I actually have a couple of them that I keep for myself because they're really nice. My best friend, I gave her these nails because she was wanting nails, so I gave her these little press-ons. I was gonna be like, get ready with me for school, and then they clip their hair back, so I got these clips. By the way, all these things that I'm showing you next came in a pack. Then I got this hair slick thing, and basically, if you have curly hair, you know, but you have to use this to put down your hair because a normal brush don't be working. I got this like tooth comb thing, and you basically just go down the middle to part your hair. Can't find where that edge brush went. Next thing I got 2 things from SHEIN, but one of them I actually bought at the thrift store. Hoodie. This one's also kind of big, but I got it in a small. Like, I don't know why their stuff, like everything I've gotten is like running real big. So yeah, now my whole outfit just blends. I'm just there. Glossy LA Colors nails. These are like my favorite press-ons ever. They last a really long time, and even if they come off and you re-glue it with that same nail, it looks good. So these are very good. $3.25 at Family Dollar, I think, for Dollar Tree. For me and my friend, I got these little BFF monkeys. They're so cute. You can literally get 2 of them for $1. Guys, these little monkeys, they're just so cute. These are only $1.25. You get 2 of them. They have like monkeys, peanut butter jelly. This is like a kind of joke of monkeys, because like we call ourselves monkeys or whatever. We have group chats with monkeys. Takis, 1 and 2. So I got 2 of them because 2 of my friends' birthdays, and they both like Takis, so I'm giving that to them. Other friend, I'm giving them Haribo. And you can't go wrong with these. These are like really good, so yeah. Dollar General, I got air dry clay, which is great for my business. Pony beads, which I'm gonna use for my business. I also got beads. I got these 2 because Valentine's Day is coming up, and these are really cute to go together. So yeah, not the black, but you know. Hey, you're here, stay a while. Yay, you're here, stay a while. This could go for my YouTube channel. You're here, stay a while. That was super cringe. Eco Gel. I don't want to get up and get the other one, so this is, I think the new packaging is different, but I got some of this from Walmart. ELF mascara and brow like dual thing. It's really nice. This is how it looks. This is probably the thing I'm top 5 most excited things, that like the best things that I got, is this vanilla cashmere lotion. I've been wanting this. I got for Christmas this in the mini size, like this size. So comparison, this one's 1 ounce, this one's 16 ounces. This one costs a lot less. This is like $5 or something. Like it came in a pack anyway. The pack is supposed to be $10. It's a while ago, but I'm gonna show it to y'all anyway because I didn't open it. Strawberry pound cake. I love this set. I literally have it in body mist right now, and I have a body wash that also smells like this. So I got lotion. I got hand sanitizer, and then I also got hand lotion of this. So I got like a bunch of lotions and things. So like I got a lot of really nice stuff. Thank you to my grandma, gran for getting me the necklace. This was like a Christmas gift, like I said. The coat is for my mom because she wanted to get us a new coat, which was very nice of her. And the rest of the stuff I think I bought with my own money. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the SHEIN hoodie when it's done, like when it's done in the wash. So I'll put that at the end of the video. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. The next video y'all should probably watch is my get ready with me, because if you're like, oh yeah, I like this girl, I want to get to know her, whatever, like you can watch that video because I talk a lot about my life, and like you can get to see my personality through that. Instead I did this because I feel like it sounds like I'm rushing and talking fast. So I hope y'all enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz.